we designed a future transportation system for 2050.
Tout a commencé avec un design brief, donc, où on explique techniquement ce qu'on attend en termes de véhicules du futur.
And this is exactly what we wanted to reach with this project: creativity and innovation with technology.
My name is Takumi Yamamoto, an industry designer with experience as a car designer over 20 years, and also the principal of my company, also called Takumi Yamamoto. The inspiration for this project was a form called Oroid. I wanted to start from something really abstract in order to push the boundary of our imagination.
My name is Xavier Melconian. I am in charge of the CATIA design and styling portfolio in Dassault Systèmes. The Oloid AFD project, it's about the sky vision of the future, to imagine what will be the vehicle experience of the future in 2050, and on the other side also to imagine what will be the next design paradigm for the design studio. In one word, to imagine what will be the studio of the future.
Je m'appelle Aude Massoni, je suis designer industriel et je suis à la R&D CATIA chez Dassault Systèmes. Sur ce projet de mobilité du futur, on a demandé à Takumi d'imaginer pour nous un nouveau concept en fait, de mobilité. Derrière ce véhicule, c'est la forme holoïde qui est le meilleur symbole, je trouve, entre design et aérodynamique.
Oroid FD is magic and future and hope. The reason we've chosen Flying Vehicle was kind of appreciation to the heritage of the car industry. So I was thinking, what can I do for the next generation? I wanted to help the future with my skill set.
It's a long story with Takumi. We did know each other since more than 15 years.
J'ai déjà été amenée à collaborer avec Takumi. Donc déjà, quand on développe une nouvelle application, on fait appel à un panel d'utilisateurs. Et donc Takumi a fait partie de ces premiers utilisateurs à tester nos solutions en avance de phase pour récolter ces retours et améliorer les applications.
He has a special touch in terms of creativity that I appreciate a lot. I'm a big fan of his work, but he's also very open-minded about technology. So he had the perfect match for this project.
So the theme of the project was flying transportation in 2050. So I didn't want to go into too much details because when we tend to underestimate the technology, for instance, in a sci-fi movie, you know, people travel in the space, but their phone still got the code and stuff. So I wanted to stay very abstract, and it's more like a flying art piece.
Tout a commencé avec un design brief, donc, où on explique techniquement ce qu'on attend en termes de véhicules du futur. Et ensuite, ensemble, on a collaboré pour justement lui donner les outils afin qu'il puisse créer des premières idées, des premiers concepts, à travers du dessin, de la 3D. Et c'est passé aussi par la réalité virtuelle. Avec Takumi, nous avons pu concrétiser ces premières idées grâce à la 3D Experience Platform.
So with a CATIA Creative Design Experience application, we want to give into the hands of the creative designers the ability to imagine directly in 3D, with 3D sketching and 3D sculpting in virtual reality to easily express their creativity in the virtual twin.
We normally use pen and paper to start with, which is 2D, but this time we used, we started to draw in 3D space. Creative design experience is very transformative technology, which helped me a lot in the beginning. I could design in a 3D space immediately and then pass it on to my modeler, which really helped us.
Pour des profils effectivement créatifs, souvent ce qui est compliqué avec la 3D, je trouve, c'est qu'on doit penser sur des plans et beaucoup réfléchir en fait à la construction. Et grâce à ce type d'application, on libère vraiment cet aspect-là et les créatifs peuvent se concentrer justement sur leur idée, explorer plus de pistes créatives, créer des alternatives et des variantes. Et effectivement aussi être déjà à l'échelle et avoir des références. Par exemple, on peut intégrer des humains virtuels qui donnent déjà des scénarios d'usage en fait, du futur produit. Donc en fait, en mettant juste un casque et en ayant des manettes dans les mains, on peut dessiner dans l'espace et imaginer des idées, des concepts à l'échelle, très rapidement.
So a very important point for this project was to collaborate all together. Even if they are not on the same location, with different talents, the 3D Experience platform was instrumental to make them work together, to collaborate and to innovate all along the time on a single source of truth on the cloud. So for this Holoid FD project, there is one important aspect of the project, which is sustainability. And when we're talking about sustainability, it means several things. We introduced, first of all, last year, a new role and application called Eco Design Engineer that gives to the designers and the engineers a 360 degrees view of his design assessment. From the material used, from the manufacturing process, from the delivery, and from the recycling. It gives to the designer, while he's designing, the assessment of his design impact on an eco-friendly CO2 emission.
Parce qu'effectivement, sur un objet volant, il faut réduire les dépenses, par exemple, énergétiques. Donc c'est très important d'inclure ces analyses dès le départ.
The mobility has been developed for the efficiency since the mobility was born. So sustainability, of course, will accelerate the evolution of mobility in good direction.
Very early in the process, even at the early concept phase, we did some aerodynamic performances check, simulation, to find the right compromise between the styling design intent, to respect the design of Takumi, but at the same time to have the most efficient aerodynamic of the vehicle, to save energy. And there are some moments that are very emblematic of the project that I remember, which were very nice. It's how the friendship and how the people could work together to collaborate and to innovate together, even if they did not meet physically, but at the end they achieved the project together. So that's the magic of the virtual twin.
C'était un gros challenge, je pense, de collaborer avec des équipes un peu partout en Europe, par exemple. Et donc la 3D Experience Platform nous a aidés en fait, à avoir un espace unique où regrouper nos idées, brainstormer ensemble, partager les modèles 3D et aussi la vue du planning.
So the challenge was, as we started from such an abstract form, we didn't even know which direction vehicle should go. And then aerodynamics simulation system helped us to find out which way is the most efficient direction to go to.
It integrates aerodynamics, sustainability, lighting simulation, a lot of different aspects of the product, and at the end it's not just a beautiful piece of a vehicle, it's really a full experience.
So I really enjoyed working for this project, with this team, with this platform, and I really love to do this kind of challenge again. And I'm very happy with the outcome.